Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently. How to speak English like native speaker. I know that you are searching these questions on YouTube, so you are on the right video. You are on the right channel, but don't forget to subscribe the channel before watching the video. In the today's session, I am going to tell you how you can learn English speaking. English speaking is all about the vocabulary. If you have the knowledge of vocabulary, so you can speak in English. And today's topic is all about vocabulary. And believe me, my friends, after watching this video, you will really feel that you have got something, you have learned something. So let's start today's video without wasting any time. Origins and the related words. How to tickle. So, titillate comes from a Latin verb meaning to tickle. All the English word, most of the English words have usually come from the Latin and the Greek. So, the titillates come from a Latin verb meaning to tickle and may be used both literally and figuratively. That is, literally, you can titillate by gentle touches in strategic places. You are then causing an actual physical sensation. So, I feel that you have understand how to flatter. Next is a compliment is pleasant and courteous. Whenever someone gives you the compliment, so you feel good. So compliment is pleasant and courteous expression of the praise. Flattery is stronger than a compliment and often considered insincere. Adulation is flattery and worship carried to an excessive, ridiculous degree. So, next is I think that you have understand about this how to flatter and how to tickle. Ways of writing. So, listen carefully, my friends. Proscribe to forbid is commonly used for medical, religious, or the legal prohibition. A doctor proscribes a food, drug, or activity that might prove harmful to the patient. The church proscribes or announces a proscription against such activities as may harm in parishioners. So you will get tell me the meaning of the parishioners in the comment section. The law proscribes behavior detrimental to the public welfare. So the law is prescription is to the welfare of the humankind, of the public. Next is it is obvious. You are familiar with the word via, by the way of. Via is the by the way of, which is from the Latin word for road. Again, this one is also from the Latin word road. The Via Appia was one of the famous highways of ancient Roman times. So the Via was basically Via Appia was one of the famous highways of ancient Roman time. We also know that Roman was a ruler and they have done so many things in the Rome, in the Italy basically, where they usually started their dynasty. So when something is obvious, etymologically it is right there in the middle of the road where no one can fail to see it. Again, next one is war. Militate derives from the militis. Militate derives from the from militits, one of the forms of the Latin noun meaning soldier or fighting man. If something militates against you, it fights against you, works to your disadvantage. Thus, your timidity may militate against your keeping your friends. Against your keeping your friends. So, believe me, my friend, that this vocabulary will really going to help you a lot to improving your English speaking practice. And I'm definitely sure after watching this video, you will see a change inside yourself and you will be able to speak English confidently and fluently like the native speakers. So we are heading towards the last one topic for today. First, the bad news. Built on the Latin malus, malus, bad, evil to the malign is to speak evil about, to defame, to slander. Malign is also an adjective meaning bad. So here the bad is malus. Malus is a bad, evil to malign is to speak evil about. Okay. So we have done and we have completed the today's session, and I hope that you really like this session and you will improve your English vocabulary. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.